In front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, just open your contact list, then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, and select Edit Contact. And here, at the top of the list, you will notice the profile picture icon with camera, so just click on it. And as you can see, you can either take a photo, so it's perfect if someone is sitting right in front of you, just mark it and then grab a photo. And then you can add it. So let me go back. Or you can pick choose photo, and now you can pick something from your own gallery or photos. So let me pick gallery or maybe photos. And let's go to screenshots. I will play this one and crop it via gallery. So now you can resize the picture that you would like to add, tap on confirmation mark and click on save. As you can see, from now on, this profile picture will be assigned to this TCL. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.